So na good. Dubli-dubli lang. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Merlyn again, and thank you so much for always supporting my channel. So for today's video guys, we are a little bit busy because it's sunny day. So it's been a while that it's raining a lot. So today we are going to harvest our corn, white corn. So all of my siblings is here, so we're gonna help each other, and then yeah, so but first of all I would like to show the pig pens. So we're making pig pens here, so we're gonna raise some pigs. And yeah, so before we will go to the cornfield, I'll just take a short clip. The pig pens, our pig pens is made of light materials, which is made of wood. The reason is, why do I spend a lot of money in making a concrete pig pens, since materials right now guys is very expensive, like cement, hollow blocks, steel bar, whatever. So everything is very expensive. But wood, bamboo, rocks is all free. So yeah, why do I do that? Anyway, so here's my two brothers. They're gonna later on we will have a piglets here, and yeah, and we have four here. So anyway, so we're using bamboo and we're using woods for our pig pens. So right now here guys, it's really hard to get a sand, you know. But anyway, there's the piglet. So, and first of all, I have to feed the chicken first before going there. So it's kind of like there's only few of them. By the way, we sold like about 30 pieces of chicken. So far it's expensive, the chicken in here. The native, we have the native one. So they're not that friendly guys. They are kind of like brutal, bully, you know. Even me, they're gonna fight me or fight. Is it fight? Yeah. So anyway, so here we go, guys. We're gonna go there. We're gonna go to the cornfield, and these are the kids. All their mothers was helping to harvest our corn, and yeah.
So, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, for today's video, we are going to the corn farm. So, at this moment, they were harvesting the corn, the white corn. So, we're gonna go there to take a few vlogs. So those are my brother-in-laws. So all of us help each other here to harvest, and of course, as in return, we're gonna give them share. So yeah. Anyways, so this is my attire. It's very provinciana. Dalagang provinciana. I just don't know. They were finished. So that's the corn. It's already dry, you know, and we should harvest them before it's gonna be like Um, where are they? They were gone. So I think they were on the top already. They haven't harvested yet in here. So as you can see, there are still um fruits like that though. So we're gonna go upstairs. Go there and see if they were almost done or not. So there's a lot of us actually. Oh no, I'm not helping guys because I'm taking good care of other things. So I think they start in here, but I'm not really sure. So we're gonna go up there. I apologize. There are some part of this video was very shaky, and because you have to pay attention where you step. The rocks are sharp, and you will get one anytime if in case you don't be careful. And aside from that, I'm not using anything. I'm not using stabilizer, so I'm trying to save some money for that. And yeah, I'm here at the top. Actually, if only us harvesting this one, probably it takes us a couple of days because of you know it's a little bit wide, and yeah, and this corn is not that big fruit. I mean, they're not that really like the other corn that it has very big corn meal, corn kernels, or something like that. Because I don't know the time that we have to put them fertilizer. I think there is no rain, so that is one of the problem if you are a farmer. You're just gonna base on your luck to the weather. Sometimes it's raining too much, and sometimes there's no rain. So there's no assurance, especially if your field is like this. You cannot do like plant or watering your corn, obviously. Anyway, so this part was very shaky, guys, because I am trying to stand on the middle and try to take a video around, but still you cannot take a video one at a time. Like just yeah. Anyway, so my father is here, my mother, my two older sister, and my siblings and my nephews and nieces. They are all here, but you cannot see them because I don't know where they are. Anyway, so here's my father there, and he planted all this corn. Oh, not only him, but all of my younger brothers and my mom, of course. And yeah, so that's culture here. If you were a farmer in the province, if ever you plant corn, so some of your neighbors, some of your siblings or relatives will ask to help you, and of course you should give them some share in return. So for me, that's okay. So you are helping them as well. But anyway, so we have another farm right there. Actually, it's still green. Over there, it is still green, and unfortunately, it was attacked by the worm.
and we're looking for some solution for that. Maybe we can spray something to kill the worm that doesn't kill the corn. Anyway, so you just really need, if you have some boots or shoes that might be more safe here, like it will protect your foot right over there. It's still a corn, that yellow thing, no, that green thing, so that you can see. That's my sister actually. Anyway, so it takes 4 to 5 months. It all depends on you know the weather as well. So usually corn will takes 4 to 5 months, and then you can harvest. So there you go. The product is not that really big, but it's okay. It's fine. Better luck next time. And yeah, so I tried to take a video, and yeah. Anyway, it has a lot of signals in here in this part. So
Wala ay.
so
Wala isubos na.
yeah.
Napa pa dato. Ang video ang guys. Hala, kuan lagi ni oh. What? Diulod. Masalba pa ne? So, dako kain puso. Puso.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
So yesterday was the harvest, and bring all the corn uh, over here because we have to divide it. We have to, get our share also. And it's filling time. So that's the product. That's a white corn. It's Visaya white corn, guys. Corn has different breeds, so we have the Visaya. So that's my sister, and yeah, that's my sister, and
Ang bulag
yeah, so
gidulaan
they're
sa
trying to
sulod.
peel all their shares. That's their shares already, and we got our
Ano po gang
share.
diha kagapakpak
So
pati
when we're
inita.
done,
Dato unta
when
nang
they
ubos-ubos
will
oh.
done, they're gonna bring those corn to their homes. That's my father, and
Kaya
yeah,
naglihipot
that's
nga
our
dili mo to oh.
house, and there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlogs, and thank you for always supporting my channel. Hope you guys all is well, and take care always. And please do subscribe if you don't subscribe me yet. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.